Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Hey friends, today I'm very excited because I'm getting ready to repaint my deck, okay? And the reason that I'm so excited about that is because I found me a great deal on some paint. First of all, let's take a look at this ugly deck. This thing is gray, okay? Because a couple years ago I threw a coat of paint on there and the only color I could find on sale then was like a battleship gray. And it's dirty. I just moved a bunch of the furniture off of here. I'm getting ready to pressure wash it. Let's go out and take a look at this 5-gallon tub of paint that I picked up and talk about it. Okay folks, hey, Nathaniel and I were over at the Home Depot the other day picking up some sealant for our driveway. You may have saw those videos. I said, hey Nathaniel, let's run by the paint department and see if they have any mix match paint, something that we might be able to put on our deck. And sure enough, check it out guys, they had some of the advanced deck over paint, okay? This stuff here is probably, definitely, this 5-gallon container probably is definitely cost over $150. It might actually be closer to $200. I didn't price it, but this 5-gallon bucket, because it was on the mix matched desk, was only 30 bucks, guys. I went ahead and snagged this up. I think the last time we painted our deck, we got some exterior latex and battleship gray, you know, for a good deal. But this here is actually deck paint, and it's a color that is close to the color, as you can see, of my brick. Okay, you see it's about the color of the brick. It's actually about the color of the part of the trim and everything up there. It's going to match really good. So guys, I'm excited about this. I mean, look at that ugly deck. Look at that, guys. I really just want to tear the whole thing down and start over, but you know what? Don't have enough money to do that right now. But we're going to take this. I got the pressure washer hooked up. I'm getting ready to start pressure washing, and then when Nathaniel gets out of school, we might actually go ahead and paint this thing tonight. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll show you what it looks like. Oh yeah, it's going to look great. Okay folks, hey, I took the pressure washer. We got the bulk of the dirt and the leaves and everything washed off of here. Hopefully you can see me here. Hey everybody. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna go out to the garage. We're gonna grab the mop bucket, mix up just some Dawn dishwashing detergent and some water, and grab the mop, and we're just gonna mop this thing really good, just to get off anything that might have any grease in it or whatsoever, or some dirt that doesn't really want to come up that well with the pressure washer. So we'll mop over it really good, and then we'll finish it up with pressure washing. Stay tuned. Okay, the mop bucket is filled with some clean water and some Dawn dishwashing detergent. Let's get busy running the mop over this deck. Okay folks, hey, we have mopped this with some mop water, with some Dawn dishwashing detergent, and we have went back over it again with the pressure washer. It got it about as clean as we can get it. We're going to let this thing dry for a few hours in the sun and hopefully get a coat of paint on it today. Stay tuned, guys. Okay folks, hey, it's day 2. We decided to let the deck dry overnight before we get started putting the paint on. So we've already brought out all our supplies here today, and I just want to briefly let you know what kind of tools and stuff you're going to need. Of course, you're going to need the paint. That's the supply, and we've already showed you that. We got a great deal on that bucket of paint. We've got our cordless drill along with our mixer there. Don't worry about that bucket right there. That's Sammy's dog food. I went ahead and fed him this morning. We have our leaf blower. I'm going to go ahead and run the blower across here to blow off anything that might have settled. Actually, I'm looking at a leaf right there that fell off the Japanese maple onto it. We got our paint tray. We've got a 9-inch roller that has a 3/4 inch nap to it, because we definitely want this paint to go down into the little cracks really good. We've got it attached to a wooden handle. It's going to make it where we can stand up and roll the paint on. So guys, we're going to go ahead and put this thing on time lapse and we'll show you how we get this thing done. Stay tuned. Hey folks, I want to show you something here right quick. I want to show you how thick this paint is. Can you see that? This is like really super thick stuff. So this is definitely going to be probably a one application paint here, okay? So I'm excited, I'm ready to get started. So let's get her done. Hey folks, I want to stop here and show you something right quick. This paint, like I said, is super thick, and I think I've kind of figured something out here right quick that I want to show you that actually might make life a little easier for you. I'm going to go ahead and load the roller, and my roller is actually trying to come off of my tool here. But anyway, we'll keep that on there. We want to load this up really good, okay? See how thick this stuff is? Amazing. It's almost like it has sand or something in it, I don't know. But anyway, here's the tip, okay? Put it right in the middle of like two boards, okay? Now I'm using a 9-inch roller, and we're gonna shoot for like working this out to 5 or 6 foot in length here, okay? And you're gonna have to keep moving this stuff to get this thick stuff to spread out, okay? To get coverage, okay? I want to show you something real quick. You'll see the texture. You're going to have a texture to this, okay? And in some spots where it's a little bit too wet, you're going to have more texture than you probably want. That's why you want to do it like 2 boards at a time and kind of roll it out, work you a 5 to 6 foot long section to really get this stuff spread out, and then making sure you have coverage as you go, okay? So that's my tip, guys. Just work about 2 boards at a time, 5 to 6 foot long section with a loaded roller, and that should be enough to cover that section with a thick enough coat. As you can see, that's already looking good. I know you probably can't see it with the camera, but we got like an even texture there, so that's what I'm looking for. Okay folks, hey, I am done with the painting project and here's the final result. And I am very, very happy with this. It looks good. It covered great in one coat. I don't know how long it's going to take to dry. I'm going to stay off of it definitely for the rest of the day. We do have a good, hot, sunny Carolina day here ahead of us with no rain in sight. So hopefully it will get a lot of sunlight on it today, dry out nicely, and we should be able to walk on it tomorrow. But guys, here's the final result. That $30 pail of paint painted the deck here, okay? $30 of paint, which normally would have cost probably $150 to $200. I might actually get on HomeDepot.com and actually see what the price of this stuff is. But anyway, regardless, it was a great deal. The deck is painted. It only took me about 2.5 hours of painting time this morning. I am wringing wet with sweat. I'm getting ready to go inside, take me a nice shower, and then we'll see what else we can get into the rest of the day. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video today. Don't forget to like, to comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Take care.